Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up the volume up and side button shortcut on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. I'm gonna also show you how we can set up the both volume buttons shortcut as well. So let's open the settings. In the settings we want to scroll down, and over here we need to go to accessibility, then go to advanced settings, and finally over here we have these two options. The first one is side and volume up buttons. So if we go there, then we can select what should happen. And let's say I'm actually gonna choose color inversion for this. And what we need to do is simply press the power button or the side button as well as the volume up button at the same time. If we go back, we can set up the volume up and down buttons combination. And let's say for this one, I'm gonna use magnification. Now let's go back and let's test this. So first I'm gonna use the power button and the volume up button. We need to simply press and hold it, like press it just in order to make the effect happen, make it work. As you can see, there is the inversion, and if you press it one more time, then we will revert and change. And for the volume up and down buttons, we need to press and hold it for 3 seconds in order to make it work. So let's actually do that. I'm gonna press and hold, and there we go, we have magnification as I set it up. And if we press and hold it one more time, we should be able to deactivate it. There we go. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.